Hi everybody. In the previous session I have explained how to create SMS application. It means how to send the SMS and how to receive the SMS. And also I told that we have to discuss about the notifications, because whenever you receive the SMS, you have to intimate the user. Even if your application is closed, you have to intimate the user saying that you have received the message. Okay, so you can see this notification. See, this is the notification given by your message application. It's a predefined application. So in the same way, we have to design the notification. Okay, so before starting, let us see what we need, what are the things we have to consider to design this notification. Okay, so if you see this notification, first you can see one image here. Okay, so I'll make a note of this. So I need one icon first. Okay, for notification design, first I need icon. Well, then you have two text here. One is your number, phone number, and second one is the message. Okay, so here you can display the date also. So let us go with at least date and phone number and your message. Okay, so for that you need, the second one is you need title. Okay, title is nothing but your phone number. We can use the phone number as a title. And what else you need? You need the message. So it's nothing but the text in your notification. Okay, and also, like, suppose whenever notification occurs, at that time if you want to alert the user with some sounds, okay, if not with some ringtones, okay, so that is also possible. So you can intimate the user by giving some like ringtone or something like that. Okay, so for that you need one ringtone also. If not, I'll name it as sound. You need one sound. Okay, so other than that, whenever you click on this notification, okay, so it will navigate to a particular page. This is your message application. In that message application, it is navigating to one particular page, that is your inbox. Okay, so similar way we have to implement. So if you want to do that, we have to create one page, and we have to navigate to that page whenever user clicked on the notification. So for that we have to create the page. You need one page. Then we also need the intent, because if you want to navigate between activity, or if you want to navigate to any activity or any Android component other than content provider, you need intent. So we have to create the intent also. So, and also we need one more thing called as pending intent. I will explain what is pending intent. Okay, so what else we need here? Okay, it has gone. Okay, so I think that's it. So let us see by using these things how to design the notification. Okay, so let us start first. In the same application, I will try to implement the notification. It means, remember, here is our SMS receiver. So in that we have receiver. Here is our broadcast receiver, and in this we have the on receive method. So whenever SMS received in your phone, at that time this particular block will be executed. Okay, I have explained all these concepts in the previous session. So now whenever you receive the SMS, or whenever your broadcast receiver receives the SMS, it is showing one toast message by showing the phone number and the message. Now what we will do is we will show one notification also. So for that, to create notification, I will create one method. Okay, I will give it as public access and public void. I will name it as create notification. Okay, so now, so this is the method where I will create the notification, but in this notification you have to display the phone number and message. So where you have the phone number and message, here we have collected the phone number and message, so that you have to send it to this particular method. So for that, here what I will do is I will accept two parameters, that is string phone number, I will make it as phnum, and string message. Okay, so that I can display this phone number and message inside the notification. So now here if you want to call this method, you have to send two parameters. Remember, whenever you receive the SMS, this particular on receive method will be executed. So inside that we are extracting the phone number and message content, and we are trying to show the notification. Okay, so for that we have to call create notification method, and we have to pass your phone number and message. Okay, so I'll pass the phone number here, and I'll collect the message and I'll pass it here. 1 second. Okay, well, now we have to design the notification inside this method. So as I told, if you want to design the notification, we have to consider some points here. So let us start with the sound first. Okay, so as I told, whenever notification occurs, we have to give the alert using one ringtone or using some sounds. Okay, so for that you need one ringtone. So where you will get the ringtone actually? So ringtone, you can find it inside the ringtone manager. If not, you can access the ringtones using ringtone manager. So for that I will take the URI. Okay, I will take one URI. It's nothing but the path to your resource location. I will make it as sound URI, means it's a path to your sound. Okay, okay, as I told, we have to collect this using the ringtone manager. So for that, select the ringtone manager dot get default URI. Get default URI. It is asking for the type, which type of ringtone you want to use. Okay, because ringtone manager supplies different types of ringtones. Okay, so now which type of ringtone you want to use? For that we have to select the ringtone. So use ringtone manager dot, as we are showing the notification, we have to use type notification. You can see here there are different types: type alarm, something like type all, or type notification, type ringtone. Okay, as we are showing the notification, let us go with the type notification. Okay, so end the statement. So now we have selected one ringtone. Now next, whenever you click on that particular notification, it is navigating to some place, okay, or some page. So if you want to give that action, you have to create one page, and you have to create the intent for that. So let us create one page here. Okay, how to create the page? Select the layout. First we have to create the XML file. So create your XML file. Okay, I'll give the name as page 3. If not, I will give the name as notification details. Okay, notification details. Okay, I'll use the linear layout here. Click on finish. So go to your so this is your notification details. I will add one text view here. Just I will edit this text view. Okay, I will say it is details. Okay, you can use any components here, but as of now I'll make it very simple. So now after creating your XML file, you have to create the Java file. So create one new class. I will name it as notification details. Click on finish. So here is your class. It has to extend the activity. Please, if you don't know, please refer my previous tutorials. You can find out to create the activity or how to create the page. Okay, you have to add one on create method here, and to establish the link between XML file and Java file, you have to use the set content view method, and you have to pass your layout path r dot layout dot, that is your notification details. Okay, so here is your page, and now whenever you are creating any page in your Android application, immediately you have to add it to the Android manifest file. So go to Android manifest file, select application tab, and go down. You will find add button. Click on that, select activity, click on OK. So it will ask for the name for that activity. You click on browse, it will show the window here where you can find all the activities or pages which are present inside your application. Okay, it takes some time, it has to search. Okay, here is your notification details activity. Select and click on OK, and immediately you have to save the changes. So I'll close this Android manifest file. So we have created the our page also, means whenever user clicks on the notification, you can show this page. Okay, this page is used to show the details about that particular notification. Okay, so now let us go to our receiver where we are creating the notification. So we have created the page here. So if you want to navigate to that page, we need intent. So create intent I is equal to new intent. You have to pass see, remember as I told before, you can't take the context for your receiver, so that's why we are getting the context here, and we have collected it to the CTX. So now if you want to navigate to any page, you have to use that context. The first parameter is your context, and the second parameter is we have to navigate to notification page. Okay, that is notification details, which we have created now, dot class. Okay, now after that we have created the intent. So as I told, we have to create pending intent after this. Okay, what is pending intent actually? See, previously we used to go with the intents, like if you want to navigate between the pages, okay, or if you want to send messages between Android components, then we use intents. But here even though using intent, we have to take pending intent. See, the pending intent means, suppose remember one thing, here we are creating the notification, okay, but in Android all these notifications are handled by a notification manager. You can say it is a foreign application, if not it's a Android service. Okay, so this notification manager will handle all the notifications. Now this notification manager, if it wants to show a notification which is related to your application, then it has to execute a piece of code, okay, using your application permissions. It means you have defined some permissions in your application. So based on those permissions, that notification manager has to execute a piece of code, and after that it has to show a notification. Okay, so to give that permission to execute a piece of code by using your permissions, okay, for a foreign application is called as pending intent. I will repeat it once again. Pending intent, you can call it as a token which is given to the foreign application like your ringtone manager or alarm manager or etc. So where it can execute a piece of code to show the notification, okay, using your application permissions. Okay, that is nothing but your pending intent. Okay, so now let us implement the pending intent. So take pending intent. I will name it as pending intent, okay, is equal to pending intent dot get activity. Okay, remember it is get activity, so it is asking for the context, give the context, and it is asking for the request code. As of now we are showing only one notification here, so you need not to go with the request code. I will give it as 0. Okay, so then intent you have to pass. What is our intent? It is I, and flags we haven't set anything here, so I'll go with the 0. Okay, so now end the statement. So remember we have created the sound URI, means we have selected one ringtone, then we have created intent so that we can navigate to a page whenever user clicks on the that particular notification, and also we are using pending intent so that a foreign application can execute a piece of code to show the notification by using our application permissions. Okay, so now after that so what else we have to do? I will open the list here. Okay, we have selected the sound, we have created intent, and we have created pending intent also. So now we have to design the notification where we can add the icon, title and text. Okay, so now let us start creating the notification. So it is very simple. So select select notification. I'll give the name as notification. Is equal to new notification dot build, because we have to build the notification here. So new notification dot use builder. So you have to pass the context. Remember we have collected the context to CTX. Okay, now you can end the statement here, and you can start adding other parameters like text, title, icon to your notification by using the notification variable. If not, what you can do is, if instead of ending the statement here, you can put the dot and you can extend the statement. Okay, so I will show that also how to do that. So just put the dot and type. First we have to set the title. So look at here, we have to set the title. So I'll go with the title first. Set title. Okay, it is set content title actually. Okay, set content title. Okay, what do you mean, or what title we have to display here? As I told before, we have to show the phone number as a title. Okay, I'll pass the phone number here, then I'll put the dot once again. Okay, and next we have to set the text. So set content text. Okay, what text we have to display? We have to display a message. Whatever the message we have received, that message we have to show it as a text here. Okay, then we have to show one icon. So that is your set small icon. Okay, set small icon. So r dot you have to collect the icon from your drawable. So r dot drawable dot If you have any other images you can select, but we have only IC launcher. I'll select the same icon here. Okay, now after that what else we have to add? Okay, small icon. Then we have to add the intent, so that whenever user clicks on this notification, it has to navigate to a particular page. So for that we have to add the intent. So before adding the intent, okay, as I told, we have to create the pending intent. We have created the pending intent here. So instead of sending intent, let us send the pending intent. Okay, so for that just a second. Okay, okay, so I will add the intent. For that, set content intent, here it is. Okay, you pass the pending intent. Then what else we have to add? It is like we have added the text title, we have added the icon, then we have to add the sound. Okay, so for that, select set sound. Okay, so pass the sound URI. Then we have to add the action, means we have added the intent but we have to give the action. So for that, select add action. Okay, so here for add action you can pass some variables, means which icon you want to display here. As usual we have to display dot drawable dot your IC launcher, and what title you want to give there. Title, I will make it as a phone number, that will be our title, and intent is our pending intent. Okay, so I will pass the pending intent. Now after that, so what else we have to add? I think I'll check the list. Okay, we have added the icon, title, text, sound, and also intent and pending intent. Okay, so now we have added all the components. So let us build this. So for that you call the method build. Okay, I will break this line, use Ctrl Shift F. See, I will repeat it once again. We have created the sound URI, means path to your ringtone. Then we have created one intent, and using that intent we have created the pending intent. So after that we have created the notification by setting some parameters. So those parameters are set the title first, then you can set the text, set the icon, set the intent, and set action. Okay, so now our notification is ready, but as I told, notifications are handled by notification manager, so we have to use the notification manager here. So select notification manager. Okay, I will give the name as N manager. Okay, is equal to, remember notification manager, it uses the system service. As I told, notification, showing a notification is a service, so it is a system service. So if you want to use that, you have to use the get system service method. For that, I will type get system service. Okay, here it is not showing because we don't have the context, so I will use the context first. Context dot get system service. Okay, so which type of service we have to use? We have to use the notification service. Here we are showing the notifications, so we have to use the notification service. So for that, use the context dot notification service. Okay, in the statement it is showing the error because you are getting the system service and you are assigning it to notification manager, so you have to cast it to the notification manager. So here you pass notification manager. Okay, so now using this notification manager, that is your nmanager dot, how to show the notification, call the notify method. Okay, so I'll go with this. You have to pass the ID and your notification. Okay, ID I'll give it as 0, and notification, what is your notification name? Here is your notification. You can just copy that and paste it here. Okay, so end the statement. So that's how you can design the notification. So now let us try to execute this application, and see here we are calling the create notification method. Okay, so okay, let us try whether it will work or not. Okay, so select the application. Where it is here. Okay, select the application, SMS receiver, and you can run it. Okay, we have to run it on 5556, that is your Android emulator, because we have the send SMS application on your 5554. So select 5556 and click on OK. Okay, I'll check the status. Okay, installation is success. So here is your SMS receiver. Now I will send the SMS. Remember here we don't have any notifications as of now. So I will try to send the SMS. Let us see whether notification will come or not. So here I am sending the text hello Android. So click on send. Okay, you got the message, and you can see the notification. Can you see this? This is the notification given by your message application, whereas this notification is given by our SMS receiver application. If you click on this notification, can you see that it is navigating to our details screen? Well, this is how you can create the notification. So here we have designed the two different applications, that is your SMS send SMS and also SMS receiver, and also we have implemented the notifications here. So whenever you receive the SMS, it will show the notification, and if you click on that notification, it is navigating to different page. See here you have to implement one list view, and you can show the history of your SMS. Okay, I have already explained how to display the list view. Okay, so here you can use the list view, and you can display all the messages what you receive on the list view. Okay, that I'll give it as assignment. Okay, you can do it. If you have any queries, you can please revert back in our student forum. And as I explained in the previous session, we have to integrate these two applications, and you have to make it as a single application, so that you can send the SMS and you can receive the SMS in a same application. Okay, so please complete that application so that this part will be completed.